And a very big welcome to you from Carlisle's kitchen. And I prepared a bake. This time I'm using prunes, Morrison's prunes. Some sliced potatoes and sliced carrots. I'll add some onions to that, and some garlic, and I'll lay those chicken wings, breasts, thighs on top. It's going to be good. I think I may try putting some of the mustard seeds as well for some flavour, because I've got a rather strong sweet taste from those prunes, so I don't think I want to put curry. So maybe the mustard would be nice. Mustard and prune? I wonder. Maybe not. Black pepper and salt, of course. I'm quite looking forward to trying that. I'm also cooking up some chickpeas, but they won't be ready for a while. So maybe I won't put chickpeas in this time. Okay. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, be very nice. God bless you all. Have a nice day.